In this short video, I'll guide you through the steps to try and recover a permanently deleted Instagram account, even after the 30-day grace period. Losing access to your Instagram account can be a frustrating experience. Imagine all those memories, connections, and potential business opportunities gone. But don't worry, there might still be a chance to get your account back. Imagine the relief and joy of regaining access to your precious Instagram profile. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including account recovery on various social media platforms. Before we begin, it's important to understand that recovering a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days is extremely difficult, and success is not guaranteed. Now let's get started on how to recover a deleted Instagram account. To start, head over to your web browser and head over to instagram.com/support. Locate and click on the 3 horizontal lines at the upper right corner. Next, navigate to manage your account. Click on the first option, scroll down, and under the Helpful tab, select No. Then, click on Other. In the provided box, briefly describe the issue you're facing. You can use the following text as inspiration, which will also be available in the video description for your convenience. Once you've filled out your issue description, simply click on the Submit option. Now, you have to wait for 24 to 72 hours. You can also try contacting Instagram through their other support channels, such as Twitter or Facebook. You should receive an email from the Instagram team during this time. Follow the instructions provided in the email. This may involve verifying your identity by taking a picture of yourself holding a white sheet of paper with a code provided in the email, written on it, along with your full name and username. You will also likely need to provide a copy of your government-issued ID. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the waiting game. After verifying your identity, it can take an additional 3 to 7 days to hear back from Instagram support. While this method is not guaranteed to work, it's currently the best approach for attempting to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Remember to be patient and persistent throughout the process. Good luck, and I hope you're able to regain access to your account. It's important to note that Instagram may not be able to recover your account if it has been permanently deleted for a violation of their terms of service. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.